Hi guys, what's going on? Good to see you again. My name is Oleg, I'm licensed broker with Redmond and Bellevue Commerce. Buying borrower power is up right now 12% due to extremely low interest rate, roughly 3.7%. And comparable to this time last year, prices continue to climb and reach 2018 prices in most area. But before we jump to market update, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I record this video every single month. And if you guys find value in this data, please smash like button for YouTube algorithm other people can see. So let's dive into the data. I'll put it on the screen for you guys, you can see as well. And in some areas prices went down, in some areas prices went up. I will start first with areas where the prices went up the most in month of November. Running up in this competition, city of Kirkland and Rose Hill location. The prices went up in Kirkland 5.7%. The following Kirkland prices went up in Monroe and Sammamish area 3.7%, and following them is Mercer Island 1.3%. Mercer Island was in the second place last month and previous month, but this month, sorry guys, you on place number 3. But in most Seattle areas prices went down, and prices went down the most in neighborhood of Queen Anne. As you guys see on the screen right now, Queen Anne dropped 5.6% price in November comparable to November 2018. And following Queen Anne, we have North Seattle 5.2%, and prices went down in West Bellevue 4.8%, Ballard 4.9%, and North Bothell 4.8%. In other cities, as you guys see, prices went down couple percent, but mostly very even comparable to prices in 2018. And let's look. Very important data is number of inventory. Number of inventory will represent how healthy is the real estate market right now. And first I will put for you guys on the screen all Seattle locations. The number of inventory dropped from 2.2 months to 1.5 months in Seattle. And definition for numbers of inventory is if with 1.5 months in Seattle, all properties will be sold and no new listings will come on the market, will be no homes for sale. And let's see the data for Eastside. Eastside number of inventory dropped from 2.4 months in 2018 to 1.2 months in 2019. We move into strong sellers market in spring 2020. And let's dive in guys together to Eastside market. I will show you more data for Eastside available, and also this data available for Seattle locations and other locations. And if you guys are looking for more data for your local area, so reach out to me, I will provide those data for you as well. But let's dive into Eastside right now. A median price for closed sales on Eastside right now is $830,000, an increase for 1%. It's higher than last year. And next screen shows the odds of selling property in all Eastside location. It's 79% right now. So prediction to sell the property is really high. And if you are a seller and thinking to sell your property, this year is a better time to sell comparable to the last year because we have higher demand. And this data shows you guys percentage of sold properties above asking price is increased in November 2019. Percentage of homes sold at listing price increased as well, and percentage of homes sold below asking price is decreased, which shows us we have very healthy market right now. And if you guys like to see more detailed data, I will put on the screen for you for residential and separately for condominium market in all Eastside. And you guys can see the number of pending sale for residential market is increased for 13%. And number of pending sale in condominium market increased for 42%. And a number of listings available on the market actually decreased a lot. Residential market number of listings decreased 38%, and condominium number of listings decreased 47%. It doesn't seem like we have any relief in the future with number of tech jobs entering our marketplace and the number of buyers looking right now on the markets are very selective and looking for properties in turnkey condition. That's it for today. I hope you guys liked this episode. Smash like button for YouTube algorithm, and if you guys have any questions, if you're looking to buy or sell property, reach out to me. I would be love to be your real estate resource. And with that, make a fantastic week. Till next time.